What are the global commons and why do they matter? Imagine a world where some of the most vital parts of our planet are not owned by anyone but are shared by everyone. These are called the global commons. They include areas like the high seas, the atmosphere, outer space, and Antarctica. These places are outside the control of any single country and are accessible to all humans. Recently, the idea has expanded to include resources like biodiversity, cyberspace, and even parts of culture and science that belong to all humankind. The core idea is that these resources are so essential to life and the planet's health that they should be managed together, not by one nation or private company. This shared management is based on the principle that these resources are the common heritage of mankind. It means they should be preserved and used for everyone's benefit, including future generations. From an ethical point of view, we have a responsibility to protect these shared resources from being overused or harmed. If we don't, everyone suffers, especially the most vulnerable. Politically, it gets tricky because no single government can enforce rules over these areas. That means countries need to work together to create agreements and organizations that can help manage these resources fairly. This is where the idea of the tragedy of the commons comes in. When individuals or nations act only in their own interest, they risk damaging these shared spaces. For example, overfishing in international waters or releasing too many greenhouse gases into the atmosphere can cause harm that crosses borders. To prevent this, international treaties and organizations like the United Nations try to set rules and standards. But enforcement can be difficult because countries often have different priorities. Managing the global commons involves balancing access and use with the need to protect and conserve. Treaties like the Antarctic Treaty or the Outer Space Treaty help create frameworks for cooperation. Still, challenges remain because economic growth, technological advances, and geopolitical tensions put pressure on these agreements. The importance of the global commons lies in their role in supporting life and human progress. They test our ability to govern ourselves collectively and fairly. They highlight the tension between national interests and our shared responsibilities. How we handle these resources now will shape the health of the planet and the fairness of the global order in the future. In short, the global commons are shared spaces and resources vital for life on Earth. They requiring collective effort to manage wisely. Their care reflects our values of justice, sustainability, and cooperation. How we treat these commons will determine the future of our planet and our ability to live together peacefully and responsibly.